are you today? Fine. Today we will start explaining a new lesson. Let's start our new lesson. It's about common divisor of two whole numbers. How do we find the divisor of any number, and how do we find the common divisors of two whole numbers? First of all, before I start, what do I mean by divisors? How do we find the divisor of any number? Let's start with activity 1, page 52. Please, everything I wrote it here, you have to copy it on your math book, okay? Activity 1, the aim of this activity is to determine all the divisors of 24. What do I mean by divisors? When I say let's write the divisors of 24, I mean which two numbers I multiply them together give us 24. Which two numbers we multiply them together give us 24. These two numbers here, we call them divisors. It's the same as factors. I said it before in the previous lesson. Okay, so divisors, and we said before that one is a divisor of any number, because if you multiply any number by 1, the number stays the same. So 1 is a divisor of any number. Okay, in order to find the divisors of 24, we will check which two numbers we multiply them together give us 24. In order to know which two numbers we multiply them together give us 24, we will do an easy way. Always we have to start with 1, because we said before that 1 is a divisor of all numbers. 1 times which number equals 24? 1 times 24 equals 24. Then, do we have 24 in table 2? Is 24 divisible by 2? Yes, because the ones digit is an even number. If you look at the ones digit is 4, so it's an even number. So it's divisible by 2, so 24 is in table 2. Now, I will check which number we multiply it by 2 give us 24. Which number we multiply it by 2 give us 24. Type. In table 2, we have till 20. Let's continue by adding 2. 20 plus 2, 22. Plus 2, 24. So let's count. 10, 11, 12. So which number in table 2 give us 24? It's 12. So we know that 2 times 12 equals 24. So 2 and 12 are divisors of 24. The 1 with 24 are divisors of 24, because if we multiply them together, the answer equals 24. Let's continue. So we will write them in order. 1, 2. Now I ask myself, is 24 divisible by 3? If yes, so it will be in table 3. Is 24 divisible by 3? Yes, we said in the previous lesson, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is 3 or 6 or 9. 4 plus 2, 6. So yes, it's divisible by 3. Now, which number in table 3 give us 24? Which number we multiply it by 3 give us 24? It's 8. So 3 times 8 equals 24. Done. Now we have finished from 1, 2, 3. Now we'll go to table 4. Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes, because it's in table 4. Which number in table 4 give us 24? 6. So 4 times 6 equals 24. Type. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5. Is 24 divisible by 5? No, a number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is 0 or 5. Here the ones digit is 4, so it's not in table 5. Is it in table 6? Yes. Why? Because it's divisible by 2. Divisible by 3, so for sure it's divisible by 6. Which number we multiply it by 6 give us 24? It's 4. Okay. When will I stop? I will stop if we have repetition. For example, 4 times 6, it's the same as 6 times 4. So if we continue more and more, all the equations are repetition for the previous one. So 6 times 4, the same as 4 times 6. So I will cross out the last one. I will stop. Okay, because we are repeating. هلا من هلا ورايح كلهم بيكونوا repetition. يعني 6 times 4 برجع. 8 times 3, 12 times 2. It's the same as 2 times 12. Okay? So I will stop. When we have repetition, we will stop. We cross the last one. So what are the divisors of 24? The divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will continue like this. 6, 8, 12, 24, like you, okay? I will do them like, form a shape like what? Like you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, all of them are divisors of 24. Divisors, لأنه two numbers, we multiply them together, give us 24. These two numbers, we call them divisors. So here, 2 times which number 24? We said it's a 12. 3 times which number 24? It's 8. 4 times 6, 24. The divisors of 24 are, I will write them. I will open two brackets. I will write them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, now the second one. We will write divisors of 12, divisors of 16. Divisors of 12, yeah. Which two numbers now? We multiply them together, give us 12. Let's erase here in order to write table 12. Yeah. Okay, divisors of 12. I will start always with 1. Okay? 1 times which number equals 12? So when I say divisors of 12, يعني بعد equal بده يكون عندنا 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. So 1 and the 12 هن divisors of 12. طيب. Now, in order, I have finished from 1. Now I ask myself, is 12 divisible by 2? Is it in table 2? Yes. 2 times which number? 6. I have finished from 2. Now I go to 3. Is 12 in table 3? Yes. 3 times which number? 4 equals 12. Type. I have finished 1, 2, 3. Now 4. Is 12 in table 4? Yes. 4 times which number? 3. Now repetition. 3 times 4, the same as 4 times 3. So I will cross it and I will stop. So what are the divisors of 12 in order like you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So open two brackets. The divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now divisors of 16. What are the divisors of 16? Yeah, let's erase and write 16. Divisors of 16. Which two numbers? We multiply them together, give us 16. Okay. We will start with 1 because 1 is a divisor of all numbers. 1 times which number give us 16? 16. Now, 2 times which number equals 16? Is it in table 2? Yes, 2 times 8. Now 1, 2, 3. Is 16 in table 3? No, the sum of digits 6 plus 1 is 7, so it's not divisible by 3. Type, is 16 in table 4? So I will skip 3. Is it in table 4? Yes, so I have to write 4. 4 times which number? 4. Type. Now 5. Is 16 divisible by 5? No, the ones digit is not 0 or 5. Type. Is 16 divisible by 6? No, it should be divisible by 2 and 3, but it's not divisible by 3, so it's not in table 6. Is it in table 7? No. Is it in table 8? Yes. 8 times which number? 2 equals 16. Now repetition. 2 times 8, we are repeating the same equation. It's the same as 8 times 2. I cross the last one, so the divisors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay? The common divisors. 1 for sure is a common divisor because it's a divisor of all numbers. 1 up, 1 down. عندنا كمان 2 up, 2 down. وعندنا 4 up, 4 down. So 1, 2, 4 are the common divisors. Okay? So the common divisors, write them in the middle. 1, 2, 4. Now divisors of 12. Divisors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But this circle, all of it for the divisors of 12. Type. We wrote 1, 2, 4. So look at the divisors of 12. We wrote 1, 2, 4. So we still have 3, 6, 12. We will write them outside. 3, 6, 12. Here, divisors of 16. This big circle, all of it for the divisors of 16. Type. We wrote 1, 2, 4 inside this circle. So we still have 8 to 16. Okay? We will practice more and more in the Zoom period. So if you have any question, you can ask me later. Thank you guys. See you.